Hi, it's Miss Clemens again, and we've been talking about farm animals. And today, the farm animal that we're going to talk about is the pig. So let's see what we can find out about the pig. Um, First of all, have you seen a pig? And where did you see him? Okay, so let's look at this pig. This pig, first of all, is standing in what? Mud. You're right. And the reason that pigs like to stand in mud is because it keeps them cool. So we're going to take a look at him. He's a big animal, right? He has sharp ears, small eyes. He has a mouth, and touch your nose. He has what is called a snout, and he uses it to search for food and root for food. Also, he has 4 legs and he has a tail. So let's take a look at his tail. We're going to compare him to another one of our farm animals and see if you can see the difference in their tails. Look at the cow's tail. Okay? Now, look at the pig's tail. You see the difference? Can you see anything that's make them kind of look alike? Okay, that's our pig for today. Now we're going to do our sentence structure. Okay, so we're going to go over here. You have your letters for the week, which are uppercase H, lowercase h, uppercase C, lowercase c, uppercase D, lowercase d, uppercase G, lowercase g, uppercase P, and lowercase p. Okay, we're going to write out our sentence. And the first word in the sentence began with what kind of letter? Did you say uppercase? You're right. Let's write it out. We're going to write out our sentence, okay? And then after the first word comes what? Did you say space? Yes. Okay, what comes next? Did you say space? You're right. And after that, what comes next? Space. And space. Okay, so this sentence says pink pigs play in pig pens. So what comes after that sentence? Period? You're right. So let's look and see if we can find any of our letters in this sentence. Tell me what you see. Did you say uppercase P? Yes. You said lowercase p? And what else do you see? Lowercase g? What else? Oh, lowercase p. What else do you see? Lowercase p? Lowercase g? What else? A lowercase p. We had a lot of p's in this sentence today, right? We have something else in there. And what we have is this word. And this is a sight word. And the sight word is I-N. In. So you can think about how many times you use that word in today. And if you can find it in any of books or anything, look for it and see if you see it, okay? And also, you can go in your handouts and you can take your pig and you want to color him or her pink, okay? All right. So now we're going to go over and we're going to do some sets. You know, you can just take some little objects and put them in a cup. You shake them up and throw them. Okay. Now, this one is sitting mostly on that side, so we'll put him there. What you have is 2 sets of 3. You have a set of 3 on this side of the line. You have a set of 3 on this side of the line. And even if you remove one and you have a set of 3, you still have a set over here. Now it becomes a set of 2. So what we can say is that if you have 3 and you remove one, which is subtraction, you are left with 2. 1, 2. Okay? So you can try this at home and you can throw them. You can add as many objects as you like. Okay? And see what you come up with. Okay, so we're going to move over to our numbers. And we're going to count. I need you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Did you count those with me? Okay, so also our vocabulary words this week is onomatopoeia. And onomatopoeia are words that sound like their action, like splash. You can almost hear that. That's the way the water sounds. And bam, slam, and zoom. So those are onomatopoeia words. And plow. And if you remember, we saw the word plow in our story about Little Red Hen, because she had to use a plow so she could grade up the dirt in order to plant her grain. Okay, we're going to go over, and today, again, our Bible letter is W. And our verse is, what time I am afraid, I will trust in thee. Psalm 56:3. Okay, so I'm going to leave you today with a visual of our story about Peter.
Doing terrible things to the followers of Jesus. He even had some of them killed. Some Jewish people were happy that Herod was doing this because they didn't believe in Jesus or like his followers. So to please the people, Herod decided to throw Peter in jail too. The king ordered 16 soldiers to guard him over the Passover holiday. But while Peter sat in jail, God's people gathered in their homes to pray for him. That night, an angel came into the jail cell and woke Peter up.
Hurry, get up.
Peter's chains fell off, but the soldiers kept sleeping.
Follow me.
Peter thought he must be dreaming, but he followed the angel right past all the guards. When they came to the iron gate of the prison, it swung open on its own. But after they had walked a few steps into the city, the angel disappeared. So Peter went to the house of some friends who lived nearby and knocked on the door. A servant girl went to the door and asked who was there.
Who is it?
It's Peter. The Lord sent his angel to rescue me from Herod.
The girl recognized Peter's voice and quickly ran to tell the group.
Peter is at the door.
Hello?
But the friends didn't believe the girl and went back to praying for Peter. They didn't realize that their prayers had already been answered. They finally listened to the girl and went to open the door. And that's how God saved Peter from the mean King Herod.
And an angel came to me. He freed me from my chains, and he let me out the door.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed your visual of the story of Peter being rescued. And we know that that meant Peter was saved by an angel who woke him. Till tomorrow, I'll see you. Bye.